I am going to repair creative speaker. This creative speaker is not power owning. 9 volt DC, not power owning. So how to check this type of problem I will explain in this video. For this kind of problems, first we have to check power is coming or not. For that, here backside of this box, here written DC 9 voltage. Okay, outer negative, inner positive. For that, I removing this. See here, outer negative, inner positive. For that, I turn on digital multimeter to 20 voltage range. Here I turned on 20 voltage range. Now I am connecting negative probe to outer and inner. Here we are getting 9.5 volt. So SMPS is this power supply is okay. We have to check we have to open and check whether it may be power switch problem or circuit problem. For that, we have to open this circuit. We have to slowly we have to remove the. Here is the first we have to check this on off switch. This is the right and left volume control. Here this point given, this one power on off, this positive supply from DC voltage came this side to this, and here we have to check. Here we can observe the light also, LED light. So for that I switch it on. This one ground I connected. The supply is coming or not. Here supply this point coming. Here the switch is not power on. The problem in switch. Here we getting 9.5 volt. Here not getting. When switch on this, we have to get here power, then only it will start. The problem is in this switch only. For that I will keep one I will make it a direct connection. So it's it started. Now it's power on. So problem is the this power switch problem only. So now it's ready. I make it switch directly connected. I make switch direct. Now I make it switch directly. That is why it's coming continuously light. This one is mute.